Assalamu alaikum to everyone. This is me Usama from UJ Marine and Automotives. This is my first introductory video and I wanna let you know why I intend to make this channel. Starting from my background qualification, I completed my diploma of associate engineering in automotives in 2010. Moving forward to my interest in this field, I did mechanical engineering in 2015. Soon after that, I switched to merchant navy and joined my first ocean going vessel. I found life of mariner a bit dry, difficult, far from home, anxiety, new personalities. It's very difficult. It was very difficult for me in the beginning, but in spite of all, I kept going and was determined and passionate towards my goal and interest. Now being a mariner, it became necessary for me to complete required courses and competencies in order to move forward towards my goal and passion. In 2017, I attained my first Engineer Officer of the Watch competency from UK. So far this was my best investment. And now moving forward to get second and chief competency. Okay, this was my short and basic introduction, but my main intention to make this channel is to share technical knowledge related to marine and automotives. Running a small automotive business in UK, so I want to share some latest features of latest cars with you. So keep in touch with my videos, and whenever I will be on board, so I will share with the all technical knowledge related to marine machineries. So keep in touch with my videos. Meanwhile, what you have to do is to subscribe and share my channel and my Facebook link and like my page, so you will get latest videos whenever I will upload. Take care and Allah Hafiz.